Hi, want to know how to connect your CMF Buds Pro second to an iPad? So, as a first step, we would need to take the case with our earbuds and make sure that both of them are inside. Now, when we have opened the case, as a next step, we would need to turn our earbuds into a pairing mode. And to do it, we would need to find this button, which is located at the right bottom corner, and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator at the front will turn white, or it will start blinking white. So let's do it. I'll start holding the button, and now we need to take a look on this indicator, and now when it's blinking white, we can release our finger. So as a next step, we would need to open Bluetooth settings on our iPad. We can find them in the settings application in the tab which is named Bluetooth. Make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, and if not, we can easily enable it by clicking on this slider right here. And now we just wait until our CMF Buds Pro 2nd will appear on the list with other devices. Click on it, and now they are listed as connected, which means that you can start enjoying your favorite music from your iPad. That was it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.